Okay, the best way to set up your camera with a relay, at the end of the video I will show you. I will put a picture that tells you where each one goes. I can try to tell you. Okay, you're gonna need a blue cable, a black, a red, and a white. So you're going to have the blue one on the 87, the black one on 85, the red one on 30, and the white one on 86. So white one 86, blue one 87, black one on 85, and the red one on 30. So the white one, by the way, you're gonna have a relay that has 4 pins in the bottom. If you get an old relay or you find one with a 5th pin in the middle, which is the 87A, you can just break it. You can break it or leave it. You can use a plier, break it, cut it, take it off. You don't need that part. You only need that 4 pins on the outside. So the white one, it's going to attach to the reverse cable of your tail light. So how do you find that? Put your camera on reverse, pull the e-brake, look for the wire, use a tester, find the wire that has a 12 volt. It's gonna be a 12 volt. The reason why the camera doesn't work when you put it on that 12 volt, it's because it's not, at least for my Mercedes, it's not a constant 12 volt. I don't know if it's because you already have the light and you already put another device. Maybe because you have the camera and the light on the same one, it decreased the power to 11, so the camera end up flickering because the camera doesn't have a constant 12 volt. You need the camera to have a constant 12 volt. If you power the camera on the backup light, the 12 volt, it's not going to be stable. Therefore, your camera, sometimes you're gonna have image, sometimes the image is gonna be shaky. And in my case, the image went completely gone. Okay, so after, you're gonna have to do this first. Wire this first. So you see right here, this is the picture, it's upside down. I'm gonna put it here like this. Okay, so you have the blue under 30. All right, so you have it like this, open area. So you have blue, black, red, white. Blue going to be on 87 again. The red's gonna be on 30. Let me try to go closer. And so forth. Alright, the black gonna be on 85, and the white going to be on 86, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, the white's gonna be on 86 and the blue on 87. Okay, so you take your white one, attach it in the positive reverse light, the only positive current you have when you put the car on reverse. So you have to use a tester to find it, or look at your car manual. The black one, it's going to be your ground. Find a constant ground. What I did, I took my ground here. Find a good ground. Don't use a ground from the wires. Use a ground from the chassis of the car. Constant ground, either here or there, whatever your car is. Use that ground. Now you're gonna see my ground has 3 cables attached to it. Why 3 cable? The first black one, that's the one for the camera. The second one is the main one that's attached into the car chassis, and the third one is the one that goes to the relay right there. And the blue one is going to the red, which is the positive for the camera. So what happened when the camera is not on reverse? There is no positive through that blue cable right here. So there's this constant positive, it's always there, it's right here. What happened when you put another positive, it switches that constant positive to this one. When you cut the power here, he goes on what we call trip. It disconnects like this picture does. You see this right here? Magnet, nothing. Remember, 80, 30 is the positive. Alright, 30 is right here. So you have those two positive. So this is the magnet. So when you connect those two positive, it attract this, it connected with that 87 also, which is the ground, and send the current. Alright, so when you put your car in reverse, there's current in here. Something happened here in the mechanism that send the power through that blue cable, which become a positive. That constant positive that's here, it take that constant positive, send it here. So therefore your camera will have that constant power that's already here that goes into it. But in order for this to work, the relay need to have a positive and a negative. So that's why you have to have that black one in the relay. That's how it works. The relay needs all of them. So the positive goes straight to the relay, straight to the camera. All these are connected together. All the black ones stay together. All the black ones stay together. You have the red one. I find one of those top cable. I use one of those empty fuse I had. Before I do that, I make sure the fuse was a 12 volt. So I turn the car ignition on, I check it was 12 volt, and use a fuse that's no more than 5 amp for the camera. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna change it to a 3. This is temporary. I'm gonna look for 3 amp and put a 3 amp in there. So let me know if you have any questions. Remember to subscribe. So the best way to fix your camera from flickering is by installing a relay. Okay, thank you.